Kwa na mafuta. Nafungana saa ngapi?
Unaweza tumia Safaricom na unaweza tumia
Good. So I'm out of breath. So I did settle for roasted meat and some ugali. I bought some salad too because I don't have salad at the moment in my house. I bought some juice. Hey, it has been a while. I don't know. I feel like this container and this one looks a little bit bigger. And they're all quencher 2 liters. I don't know, maybe because it's empty. But I have been craving this juice for the longest. So I bought some juice. Also bought some ketchup because I need to. I love this one. I don't know why. I need to make some kachumbari for the food. Then I bought some ugali takeaway. I don't know why I'm making takeaway food. And some roasted beef. So let me just make the kachumbari and then eat because I'm so hungry. So I'm not even gonna lie. This, let's put it far away. I'm going to make my kachumbari over here because most of my dishes needs cleaning. I haven't washed them. So let's see how good this can get. Because I've never ever eaten roasted meat from that place. Ow! Ow! I think I just sliced myself. I've never eaten roasted meat from that place, but my friend recommended the place to me, I think sometime back. So I just decided today I go and try. I've made the, what are they called? Tomatoes. Then I'm adding inside some onions. I don't need a lot of onions, but I'll be adding some salt, the hot and sweet that I just bought, and the beef. Okay, what's going on? I want it on one side of the container so that I can just add my beef over here. Okay. Then add some salt again to the beef. I don't know if the beef had some salt. Then place the ugali. So this is what we are. This is some ugali, some beef, some kachumbari. Oh, I haven't added the sauce yet. This is the hot and sweet that I'm going to be adding. So let me just eat and hope it just tastes yummy. So I just arrived from work, and I had earlier on like aired my clothes, so I want to go and take them. This is what I wore. Some clothes, shoes, the shoes, and I do have stockings. I do love stockings, especially during the weather that is a little bit cold. So let me just like take the basket. I want to take this basket and I just head out there to bring my clothes back home. Here are the clothes. I think the 3 or 4 lines.